Hello everyone, this is Code Builder, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the real life example of interface. So I'm in this tutorial I'm not gonna tell you that each and every feature of your interface. I'm just gonna show you the real-time example. So why and when we have to use an interface. So basically interface has only the initialization of functions and its variable. We cannot define any definitions or any our business logic into interface. We just implement the interface into some other classes, and we have to override these methods. So let's get started. I'm just here gonna make an interface. So public interface. In this example, let's take an example. In school, there are an annual functions, so there must be a principal, there must be a students, there must be a teachers, there must be a parents. So I'm gonna create I persons. They all are persons. So I person. So they have like one introductory speech and their name. So I'm gonna define, oops, mm, I'm gonna define string their respective names. Every person has a name, so I'm define their name, and I'm define their introductory speech, like the parents meet the teachers, so they can say hello, we are parents, something like that. So I'm gonna make say hello function. Basically it has a return type of void say hello. Oh sorry, yes. We cannot uh, define any business logic into this. So here we create a interface of I person. So now we are gonna create classes. First we are making student classes. So public class students. uh, every student is a person, teacher is a person, and parents is a person. So they implement I person, and so we have to must override the property of say hello and name. So right now the interface show me the error that the student does not implement interface member I person dot name. So whenever we implement the interface, we must have to implement their all properties which will initialize in interface. So here public string name get and set. So basically you can see now interface will show me only the one error and the error for the say hello function. So I'm gonna write down public void say hello, and here I'm gonna write my business logic. Like suppose their introductory speech is console dot write line hello, we are students. Okay, so same as I'm gonna make two more extra classes just like that. Oh sorry, this class is teacher class. Teachers implements I person class. Hello, we are teachers. Same as I'm gonna make one more class of parents. Parents. Okay, so now I'm just what I did is just making three class, one interface. all the three class implements all the methods of an iPerson interface which I have just created. Okay, so now in our main class, I'm gonna suppose now no, let's take an example. So as I said, in school there is an annual function. So suppose I want a list of all the persons who are coming into this annual functions. Like there are teachers, there are students, there are parents, principal, peon, everyone. So how how can I make a list of all the different kinds of entity and combine them into one list? How it is possible? In C sharp, we can make the list of teachers and the list of parents, but we cannot make the list of teachers and parents along. So how can I make it? Sorry for disturbing, just a moment. So how I'm gonna make the list of the different classes? So I'm gonna show you the real example of an interface. So I'm gonna make a list for all the persons who are attend the annual function. So I'm taking a variable all persons list is equal to, I'm gonna make a new list of I persons. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna make a list of iPerson interface. So sorry, I just take one false parenthesis. Okay, so oops, again, no, oops, again. Okay, so I'm gonna make the list of I persons. So I'm gonna make a list of interface. Now, what I do is I'm gonna all add a person like parents object. So new parents, in this name is equal to parents, all person list dot add new students, name is equal to students, all person list dot add new teachers. So here I'm gonna add, I can easily add the parents object, the student object and the teacher object in the same list. So without interface, I think this is impossible to create the list with the different classes of the different classes objects. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just use where I in all person list, and I'm gonna call I dot say hello, the introductory speech. And here what I'm gonna do is I'm just break the line. Okay, so now I'm gonna run the program and show the result. Okay, so you can see hello we are parents, hello we are students, hello we are teachers. So in this example I literally make one list of all persons, add different objects of different classes in the same list, and I'm just use for loop and the call introductory function say hello, so I can easily use the different object in the same list. So this is one of the best example of interface. And that's it. Please keep watching, keep like and share and subscribe. Thank you.